Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Praying Well. I'm Mike, your host, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and of course like this video. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. It's great to have you. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Things 3, one of my very favorite productivity apps, and how you can connect it with your life of prayer. Let's take a look. This is so easy, it's almost funny. So I'm in Things 3, and you can see just on the left 20% of my screen here, I've got my inbox, today, upcoming, anytime, etc. And I've got a series of areas. That's what the Things 3 calls it. So I've got work, routines, platform, personal, and prayer intentions. Now, could I put prayer intentions under personal? Absolutely. Probably not platform. I guess work, sure. But I've got it as its own area because within that, I want to create some new prayer intentions. And you could simply use these as a place, a container, if you will, to keep your prayer intentions. So, for example, Grandpa's surgery. Okay, maybe I'm going to put in another one. Neighborhood gathering. And maybe I'm going to get another one. Friend Joe needs to find new job. Okay, and church issues. But I would spell it correctly. Okay. Issues. Okay. So, and then let's say, for example, I wanted to get a little bit more granular. In notes, I could just give myself a reminder that January 5th is going to be the surgery. And if I really wanted to get tricky, I could even add in a tag such as prayer. Okay, so that's not too bad. Then maybe neighborhood gathering, I need to be reminded that the Jones family, they're having a hard time, and I want to make sure I talk to them at the neighborhood gathering. And then my friend Joe, maybe I'm going to put something in his thing here. Lost job in December. Praying hard for something new. Okay, and again, maybe I'm going to use that tag if I can type correctly. Prayer, so it's going to make it easy for me to search for it. Now, I think this is really nice for a lot of different reasons. You can just have them all in one place. I think that's nice. You see the tag there, so it's going to make it very easy to search. So, for example, I'm going to be able to search for prayer. I'm going to search again for the area. Things just does a nice job of helping you there. So this is so easy. You could use this literally in conjunction with your daily prayer time, just as a place to keep track of your daily prayer intentions. Again, I'm Mike. I hope you like this video. Make sure you check out our other videos. We'll link to them on Things 3 and some of the really neat things you can do with them. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll see you next time. Like what you saw in today's video, make sure you go even deeper in your life of prayer through my blog posts and website, MikeSt.Pierre.com. Want to go even further? Share this video with somebody you know who's also trying to grow in their life of prayer.